Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Arora and I am a PhD program student in Mechanical Engineering department, and I'm here to introduce control systems. Before introducing the control system, I would like to tell you what is the objective of today's lecture. So firstly we are going to cover what is system, what is the control system, and then what are the types of control system and their applications. Now, moving on to the systems. Engineering is a science which is meant for the purpose of understanding and controlling various type of segments of environment, and these particular segments are called systems. You can take example of anything. It can be temperature of this room, it can be air pressure of this room. So these are the segments of environment which can be represented as processes or systems. Now, coming to the control system. Has anybody heard of this term before? Control system? Anyone? Okay, three of you. Simeon, what is control system?
Of course, it's a system which regulates a variable in specific.
Regulates a variable, more or less correct. BJ.
I know it, but hard to explain.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Okay. Any hint?
Uh, System which controls some values.
Controls some values. You both are very correct. And let me explain. Control system is basically an interconnection of various components forming a system configuration that will provide a desired system response. So components of system configuration, that means if I am talking in terms of room temperature, then components of system configuration is air conditioner, which is regulating the temperature of this room, and we are talking about control systems. So these components are arranged in such a way that we can have the temperature of this room set to a particular level, particular value that we want to. So that value can be set point, and such a system works on the principle of cause and effect relationship, and such cause and effect relationships are presented as for this particular system. This is input signal or input parameter, then a process, then an output coming out of it. So every system, simple system, can be represented like this block diagram. Now, moving on to the types of control system. There are two types. First one is open loop and second one is closed loop. Okay. Open loop system. Anybody? Any idea what is an open loop control system? Yes, Luke.
You have no feedback in the system.
Exactly. You have no feedback. So obviously closed loop system is with feedback. Okay. Let me cite an example. Can you please move the camera this way? Yeah. If you look at this thermostat, this thermostat is serving as a control system for room temperature of this particular class. Now, how is it serving us? control system. Talking in terms of thermostat, they can be of two types. In case of open loop system, there is no feedback. That means there is an input electrical signal, then there is some temperature setting in which we decide what we want the air temperature to be. Let it be anything, TA. Then this input signal is meant to set the temperature to TA, which will in turn give signal to AC that you have to heat or cool the air to maintain this TA. And finally, we get output as air temperature. But in case of closed loop systems, okay, let me modify that one itself.
थोड़ा
In case of closed loop systems, which this thermostat is actually, we are setting a particular set point that we need T dash temperature to be maintained via feedback. So what we are doing, we are here calculating the difference between the temperature I need and the actual temperature. So in case the temperature of the room is lower than desired temperature, then AC will heat the room. In case it is higher than desired temperature, then AC will cool the room. So that means the room air temperature is maintained using the measure of actual temperature.